Next, let's talk about answerthepublic.com, which is another free keyword research tool. This is another one that I use quite a bit. In fact, one of my sites, I was using this almost primarily to find like really specific questions, and that's what this site is all about. Is it gives you a bunch of questions. So it is similar to Ubersuggest. You start with a general topic, and then it turns it into useful questions, and then adds a bunch of different varieties. Like it adds in prepositions, it adds in all these common comparison words. So I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. But it's certainly an interesting tool to use in addition to Ubersuggest when you have a main topic that you want to write about, and maybe you're looking to fill in with some shorter informational articles, and so you're looking for like Q&A type stuff. It's really good for that. So it'll plug in can, what, where, etc. to your keyword and find common questions for you. Also prepositions, so without, for, to, it'll put those in. Comparison ideas like versus and like, what's a such and such like this product, that kind of thing. And so it is similar to Ubersuggest in that it'll also provide you with alphabetical suggestions, so like the Google autocomplete that we showed. And here's a look at what that looks like inside of Answer the Public. So if I put in massage table, it fills in all the letter A suggestions, B, C, etc., and even does numbers 1 through 9. So let's take a look at what that looks like. So when you go to the site, first you can just pick your language, assuming that it's English here, and then you type in your topic. I put massage table and then get questions, and you've got this creepy bald guy that's always back there doing that. It's really kind of weird. So it encourages me to start my search very quickly. So I do that, and then it takes a moment to give you the stuff here. So it may or may not come up. Usually it would have some questions. Massage table doesn't have a lot for me here at the top. It says 0 questions, 81 prepositions, 15 comparisons, but it'll give you this visualization if you want. I find it's more helpful to switch over to the data view here. So there are in fact some questions. So I don't know why it says 0 at the top, but it gave me some how questions here, how to use a massage table, how to build a massage table, then some what questions here. And then down under prepositions, it kind of breaks it up by section like this. Again, I switch over to data, and you can see how it'll massage table and add the word with, and then look for suggestions with a stool, with a face cradle, all of these things. It's got to, can, for, so you can go down this list. And what I usually do is I just read through it, and then when I see one that looks good, I copy it and I paste it into my spreadsheet. So I did, if you watched the last Ubersuggest video, as I mentioned, I'm taking this idea as if I was doing a site that was going to be an affiliate site about massage related products. So I started a spreadsheet over here that I'll share with you guys at the end of all of this, but I'm already off to a great start. I went back and shared a couple of or typed in a couple of other suggestions after I closed down the video. So like best massage, and then got all of these product ideas here. So all these affiliate keywords, best massage pad, ball, roller, recliner, etc., in addition to my massage table idea. And then I've got a separate category here for list type keywords. So I went in, typed massage benefits into Ubersuggest, and got a bunch of ideas here for runners, for cancer patients, for stroke patients, all of these different list ideas that I can do, list a bunch of benefits, a bunch of massage types, and then I got a ton of informational article ideas. So what is this kind of massage? What is that kind of massage? So there's a lot of ideas there, in addition to the stuff you saw on the video about, does massage help shin splints, and all these really specific questions. So Answer the Public is going to help me build out this list even more. But as you can see, I spent maybe 10 minutes on one free tool, and I'm already up to about 80 or so keywords. So I would come in and kind of do the same thing here. Now I do like the comparisons that it gives you. Let's see what it looks like for massage table. So I love versus keywords. So massage table versus chair, massage table wood versus aluminum. Like these would all be keywords that I would probably end up doing. They're probably not too competitive, and they would be really solid keywords for my topic. So because when I can compare a table versus a chair and what the benefits are and what the pros and cons are to having one versus the other, it's a very natural next step to recommend a table or a chair to that person who's reading that article. So I think this is a really good backdoor buyer keyword, if you will. So I like that Answer the Public gives you those. And then let's see here. It didn't pull in any alphabeticals for me, so that's a little bit weird. But anyway, it's free and you can do it as much as you want. So again, I'll go through and copy paste some of the ones that I like out of this list that I may want to look at further later down the road. But I can go back and do a new search, and if I just want to say just massage this time, I'll probably get a lot more results. Some of them may be not so relevant for the kind of content that I think I want to do for my site, but still might give you some good stuff to go with here. And so we can see here again the total number of questions is not updating, which is weird. Let me try to just refresh this and see if this will help. Okay, there it is. All right, so yeah, now I go to data and it's got 200 questions, and you can see there's a bunch of stuff here. Are massage chairs safe, beneficial? Like, there's going to be some really good stuff I can go through and find here. How, why, who, what, when, all of these. This is really, really good. So yeah, I just kind of went down to the more general word massage instead of massage table. And now it's opened up a lot of possibilities for me. And again, some of these are going to be totally irrelevant, but as you scroll down, my guess is that I would find at least a good 25 plus keywords that I like massage versus foam rolling versus physical therapy versus yoga. I would do articles on all of those if this is my topic. So I really, really like this a lot. And then alphabeticals, there's 500 of those. So yeah, you could be doing that for a while. But yeah, that's Answer the Public. It's really pretty straightforward. Again, you can keep plugging in new ideas, do other related keywords, see what you get, copy paste anything that looks interesting into your list, and keep going from there. So stick with us. We've got several tools left, and then at the end I'll show you some free ways that you can do some basic analysis to find out how competitive these keywords are as well.